when you with me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we.
Hi everyone, good morning, and welcome back to my channel, the Baking Diva. And for all my new subscribers, happy to see you all and glad you're coming on this little journey with me. Well, it's breakfast time. I have my cup of coffee with me, and as you can probably see, I have my little Chaffle maker with me. I'm gonna have Chaffles for breakfast. This is my little Dash Chaffle maker. I'm not going to give you a recipe today because I've already given you a few, and I've already made a little mixture myself here of a sweet Chaffle. So today I'm going to have Chaffles for breakfast, but that's not what I'm doing this little review on. But before we get started, I wanted to address a little elephant in the room. So many of you have been following me for a long time, and you're very familiar with the Cameraman, who's my hubby, and you loved him on here with his sarcasm, which he calls British wit, and you haven't seen him for a while, and everybody's asking, well, where's the Cameraman? Well, I'm not going to get into it. I just wanted to tell you all that the Cameraman has been ill. I'm not going to, like I say, go into it, but he's getting treatment, and he's really not up to doing all these videos. So keep him in your thoughts and prayers, and I'm hoping maybe one of these days soon, maybe near Christmas, I'll get him on here to say hello to you. I know he was on our Halloween video. He was the thief that came in, but he isn't really up to filming right now, so I'm certainly not going to force him. So anyway, just wanted to get that out of the way. That's where the Cameraman has been. So today I'm going to make my breakfast because I'm starving, and I'm going to do a little review. So let me get one of my Chaffles going while we're talking. Oh, and if you noticed on the snow that I showed you in the front of my house, we had a storm the other day. You saw two people by my front porch, and the little one was Lucas helping his grandpa shovel, and the Cameraman was standing there giving him directions. So anyway, I'm going to start the Chaffle. I already have it heated up, and I have my mixture made while we're talking. So let me get this going. And I do have some Chaffle recipes on my channel, and I do want to put a gingerbread one on there that I've been working on. So let me close this. All right, so many of you saw my video on where I got scammed on some product I bought on Facebook. An update on that. I did get some of my money back, but not all of it. But I guess under the circumstances, better something than nothing. But you live and learn. So I've been very reluctant to order anything off of Facebook again. But I saw these, let me show you, I'll hold one up. These sugar-free syrups. The company is ChocZero. And I'll tell you why they intrigued me. But I didn't want to order them, you know. Got burned the first time, and you know the old saying, fool me once, shame on you, fool me twice, shame on me. So what I did is, before I placed any kind of order, I contacted the company, sent them a message, and told them I was interested in their product. I wanted to find out if this was a legitimate company. Sad to say, I really don't want to order anything from overseas. I always end up with a problem. I have an international charge, takes forever to get here. If it's clothing, they run way too small. So, you know, you live and learn. But anyway, I contacted the company. Let me check this. And they were very nice. And I told them I had a YouTube channel. And I asked them if there's any possibility they would want to send me a couple of these so I could just try them out and talk about them on my channel. Sorry about my little bird in the background. It's early in the morning, and see, when I stop talking, the bird starts chirping. Sorry. But anyway, and they said yes, sure, they would send me a couple of them. So I was thrilled. No questions asked. Not a sponsored video. They asked nothing of me. About a week and a half later, I received a couple of bottles of this, and I wanted to try it. Well, all I'm going to tell you is, the reason I'm even showing you these is because oh, this is looking good. I absolutely love them. In fact, I have ordered them again, paid for them with my own money, which you know I wouldn't have done if I didn't like them. So let me just tell you something about it. And I'm going to have one with my Chaffle. First of all, this company is fairly new. I think they started out about 3 years ago. And it's a small company, and they started out and they wanted to make a sugar-free chocolate that was delicious, but they didn't want it to have anything artificial in it. So that was one of my main concerns when I called them. I wanted to know what sweetener they used in it, and they said monk fruit. And monk fruit is natural. It's has no sugar alcohol, which I don't know about many of you, but sugar alcohol does not agree with me. Let's just say doesn't agree, and we'll leave it at that. It causes me stomach cramping and other problems. But anyway, they spent like about 2 years. They're very passionate, this company, working on this. And I just have a couple of notes here that I printed off myself. And what they came up with, besides these syrups, they also have chocolate. Oh, let me take this out. This is looking yummy. Oh, look at this. Let me hold up my dish. I am addicted to these Chaffles. I love them. But anyway, the company produced something that was gluten-free, sugar-free, sugar alcohol-free, which is what turned me onto it. Because no matter what I pick up, protein bars, a lot of different things, they all have sugar alcohol in it, and I'm not buying anything with sugar alcohol in it. I don't like sucralose. The only, I would say, sweeteners I use are either stevia or I use monk fruit now. That's just about it. So anyway, they came up with these syrups. One of them is maple. I'm going to tell you what I like about it. The other one is chocolate, and this is my second bottle, and it's already halfway gone. And the other one is caramel. Tells you right on the bottle, sugar-free, gives you the nutrition value. I'm not going to go into everything with you. You can go on their website and you can look at everything. But they wanted something that was going to have a natural sweetener in it, which is the monk fruit, but it was also going to taste good. That was the key, because some of these things are, horrible. I mean, there's a channel on that talks a lot about these protein bars called One. So I thought I'd try it, and I ordered, I think it was the birthday cake and one other. Just my own personal opinion, I thought it was disgusting. And I'm being honest with you. It was so dry, and I won't buy them again. And I think that also has sucralose in it. I'm not sure. But anyway, they said that their cocoa beans that they use are from some of the South America's finest. And they use Madagascar vanilla beans. So if you're familiar with that, I know Madagascar vanilla that you use in baking is excellent. And they use only, they said, the most premium GMO free soluble corn fiber. They say every ingredient, I'm just reading this to be honest with you, in their products is chosen for your taste buds in mind. And they're also looking and developing new products. They're developing the, check this, they're developing the chips that you can use in baking. These are also great for diabetics, people that have type 2 diabetes. And you can use this syrup on waffles. You can use it on ice cream. You can use it pretty much on anything you want. You should see what I've been doing at night. If I get a craving, I put a little bit of peanut butter in a small dish. I put a little of this chocolate syrup on it and squirt a little bit of whipped cream. It's delicious. And we're talking about low carb here. So, anyway, I wanted to try it. And they're talking about basically what their future holds for them. The company is really growing, and I'm happy with it. So let me tell you one of the reasons why. Well, I already told you one of the reasons why. Oh, these Chaffles are so good. Woo, look at this second one here, baby. And these are keto and low carb. So anyway, the main reason I liked them was because of the monk fruit in them. And if you're not familiar with monk fruit, look it up, because I think you'll be surprised. You won't have any side effects from it, at least I don't. And, you know, it's natural, and the taste is good. And I think it's equivalent to sugar, like a one-on-one. If you were to do like a tablespoon of sugar, you do a tablespoon of monk fruit. One of the other things I mainly loved about it is the taste. This chocolate is so good. It's not thin and runny. It's thick. All their syrups are thick. Really delicious. It says right on it, the thickness sugar-free syrup on the market with ingredients you can trust. So if you're on keto or you're on low carb, I would give these a try. You can order them from the company. That's what I did. They sent me the first couple free, and then I ordered a set of 3 right from their website. And I also ordered a second set, because they were on sale, of 3 for a good friend of ours who has diabetes, and I'm going to give it to him in a basket with other things for Christmas. So anyway, the other thing is the maple syrup. I'm going to show you one of the things I like about it, and I hope... Whoop. Oh, I need to get some muscles. Hold on, let me bang it a little. Oh, come on, Diva. Hold on, I'll be back. Oh my goodness. Be right back. Okay, I got the maple syrup open. But I'm going to show you one of the other things I love about it, besides the taste. I'm going to pour a little bit of this in my plate. Let me just watch how thick this comes out. See that? It's not like some of those sugar-free, runny syrups you get. Let me try to hold it up. If you look, you'll see it's not even sliding down my dish. And the taste is delicious. The caramel I used on ice cream was very good. But anyway, this I'm going to use on my Chaffle today. I am hungry. I had my coffee, but I haven't had breakfast yet. So I'm going to give this a try. Look at that. It's so thick, and it has such a great maple flavor. I'm not getting paid for this. I'm not being sponsored by this company. I bought these with my own money, except for the first 2. And I've been using it for about a month and a half now, and just waiting to see how I felt about it and show it to you. I think these syrups are worth your money. So it's up to you. I would say give them a try. This is chocolate, maple, and caramel. And if you go on their website, they do have some other products on there. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little honest review of these syrups. I tell you, I will buy them again and again, especially the chocolate ones. So, I hope you enjoyed this. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, head on down and hit that red subscribe button. And the little bell next to it says all. You won't miss any of my future videos. I have some great cookie recipes coming up soon. So anyway, I appreciate all your support. Love each and every one of you. I'll see if I can find the website. Once again, this company is ChocZero. And I believe they do sell them on Amazon too, but I didn't order them on Amazon. I ordered them directly from the company. So anyway, love you all. Hope you're enjoying the holiday season. Pardon me for talking with food in my mouth. But anyway, look forward to seeing you all soon. Look at this. That little Chaffle recipe. It's just a basic sweet Chaffle. Yielded me 2 big and 1 smaller Chaffle, which is plenty good for my breakfast and low carb too. So anyway, take care everyone. I'll see you very soon. Toodles!